Today we are making a low-carb chicken enchilada casserole bake. We are going to combine some rotisserie chicken with cauliflower rice, corn, green enchilada sauce, some cheese, and some diced tomatoes until it's nice and bubbly in the oven. We're going to top it with some crushed up tortilla chips for a little crunch. It's going to be so good. So to our casserole bowl, we're going to go ahead and add in some cauliflower rice. This is the herb and garlic cauliflower rice from the freezer section in the grocery store. You can use whatever kind of cauliflower rice you like or any kind of rice replacement that you like. They have riced sweet potato, I don't know, anything nowadays really. So you can use whatever kind of like rice replacement you want here. Now we're going to add in our chopped rotisserie chicken. I use the white meat part of the chicken, but honestly you can layer this up with as much chicken that can fit in the bowl because the chicken is not only going to add protein, but it's also going to give you like a density to this low carb dish. So you really want to pack on the protein as much as possible. So I would recommend you even going with a whole chicken. Next, you add your vegetables of choice. I'm using diced tomatoes and also some sweet corn. I went ahead and added in my enchilada sauce. They also have the red enchilada sauce, but I think the flavors of the green here is a little bit better. I also added some sour cream because that's going to kind of give it that creamy enchilada flavor. So a dollop of sour cream, and then I'm going to give everything a nice mix to ensure it's well combined. And then I'm also going to season this with a little bit of taco seasoning to kind of bring it all together. That's pretty much the only seasoning you need here. You can definitely add more spicy flavor by going in with a little bit more chili powder or red pepper flakes. You can also add things like cream cheese to make it even creamier if you wish. Since you are keeping this low carb, usually you can kind of add in a little bit more decadence with the cheese to add a little bit more flavor to the dish. Once you've done that, you just smooth it all out and then add the cheese on top. Everything in this dish is cooked, so you want to just pop it in the oven at about 400 degrees uncovered for about 15 minutes or so until the cheese is nice and melted. Once the cheese is melted, you can go in with your tortilla topping if you desire, just to give it a little crunch. You can also do strips of tortilla if you have those, like the little salad toppers. Those work as well. So once you pop that on, you just want to pop that under a broiler for a couple of minutes until it's nice and toasty, and you're pretty much ready to serve at this point. I hope you like this recipe. You can definitely click the link in the description bar below to go ahead and find the full recipe on my website. And of course, definitely check out the other recipes on my page right here on YouTube. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.